In today's video, I will walk you through how to add shipping rates in Stripe. First, make sure you're logged into your Stripe account and viewing the main dashboard. From there, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find Product Catalog. Click on it to access the section where shipping rates are managed. Once you're in the Product Catalog area, click Create Shipping Rate. This will open the form where you can set up a new shipping option. On the form, locate the tax dropdown, which may be labeled Include Tax. Click the dropdown and choose whether the shipping amount you enter should include tax or not. Next, click into the Amount field and enter the shipping cost you want to charge. Check that the displayed currency is correct for your setup. If you need to support additional currencies, select the option to add them and enter the corresponding shipping amounts for each currency you want to use. After that, move to the Description field. Enter a name or description for the shipping rate. For example, you can use labels such as standard shipping or express courier. This description will help identify the shipping option. Continue down to the estimated shipping time section. In the first field, enter the lower end of your delivery estimate. For example, if delivery is expected between 3 and 5 days, enter 3 in the first field. Next to that field, use the drop-down menu to select the appropriate time unit. Choose from the available options, such as business days, hours, weeks, or months, depending on how you want the estimate displayed. Then, enter the upper end of the delivery estimate in the second field. If your delivery window is between 3 and 5 days, enter 5. This creates the delivery range that will be shown for the shipping rate. After entering the delivery estimate, scroll down to the Taxes on Shipping section. Here, choose how shipping taxes should be handled. Select whether taxes on shipping should be determined automatically based on Stripe tax settings or set to never. Review the information you've entered, including the tax preference, shipping amount, currency settings, description, estimated delivery range, and shipping tax option. When everything looks correct, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. Once the rate is saved, your new shipping rate will be created and available for use in your Stripe integrations. That's all it takes to add a shipping rate in Stripe. Thank you for watching.